Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.1225 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.085111.1299. The earlier day close, 1.1080. The change was plus 0.0145, plus 1.31%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 1.07 rands, high 1.14, low 1.00. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 1.06 rands, high 1.13, low 0.99. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.06 rands, high 1.13, low 0.99. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.05 rands, high 1.12, low 0.98. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 0.93 rands, high 1.00, low 0.86. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 23, cost 0.94 rands, high 1.01, low 0.87. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 0.94 rands, high 1.01, low 0.87. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.90 rands, high 0.96, low 0.84. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.94 rands, high 1.01, low 0.87. In about 14 days Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 29, cost 0.86 rands, high 0.92, low 0.80. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 0.85 rands, high 0.91, low 0.79. Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 3, cost 0.85 rands, high 0.91, low 0.79. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.86 rands, high 0.92, low 0.80. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.86 rands, high 0.92, low 0.80. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 0.84 rands, high 0.90, low 0.78. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, July 7, cost 0.86 rands, high 0.92, low 0.80. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 0.86 rands, high 0.92, low 0.80. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost 0.87 rands, high 0.93, low 0.81. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 0.88 rands, high 0.94, low 0.82. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost 0.89 rands, high 0.95, low 0.83. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 0.90 rands, high 0.96, low 0.84. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, July 17, cost 0.88 rands, high 0.94, low 0.82. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost forecast for June 2023. To start with cost at 1.41 rands, exorbitant cost 1.45, while low cost 0.79. Found the middle value of cost 1.13. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.85, change for June 39.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 0.85 rands, excessive cost 0.96, while low cost 0.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.80. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.71, change for July 16.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 0.71 rands, excessive cost 0.74, while low cost 0.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.70. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.69, change for August 2.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 0.69 rands, excessive cost 0.78, while low cost 0.68. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.72. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.73, change for September 5.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 0.73 rands, exorbitant cost 0.73, while low cost 0.63. They found the middle value of cost 0.69. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.68, change for October 6.8%. Dogecoin estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.68 rands, exorbitant cost 0.68, while low cost 0.57. They found the middle value of cost 0.64. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.61, change for November 10.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.61 rands, exorbitant cost 0.76, while low cost 0.61. They found the middle value of cost 0.67. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.71, change for December 16.4%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.71 rands, exorbitant cost 0.71, while low cost 0.56. They found the middle value of cost 0.65. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.60, change for January 15.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 0.60 rands, excessive cost 0.60, while low cost 0.47. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.54. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.50, change for February 16.7%. Dogecoin figure for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 0.50 rands, excessive cost 0.62, while low cost 0.50. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.55. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.58. Change for spring 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 0.58 rands, excessive cost 0.66, while low cost 0.58. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.61. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.62, change for April 6.9%. Dogecoin figure for May 2024. To start with cost at 0.62 rands, exorbitant cost 0.62, while low cost 0.54. They found the middle value of cost 0.59. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.58, change for May 6.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 0.58 rands, exorbitant cost 0.65, while low cost 0.57. They found the middle value of cost 0.60. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.61, change for June 5.2%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.8908 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.8850-0.9215. The earlier days nearby 0.9025. Change for now 0.0117, 1.30%.